Good day guys, I'm Matthew and Cantal. Today I'm gonna talk about how can we get our barangay clearance, police clearance, the mayor's clearance, and the medical certificate. So first, let's talk about the how can we get the barangay clearance. In order for you to get your barangay clearance first, would be you have to prepare your requirements. The clearance requirements is you need to fill out the application form. This will be given at the barangay halls. The recent community tax certificate or CTC or the cedula. This is typically issued at the municipality or city hall. Although some barangays may issue it as well. Barangay clearance fee is needed also. After preparing for all the requirements, you have to go to your barangay hall and inform the officer that you need or you are applying for the barangay clearance or the barangay certificate. After that, you need to state your reason why you needed it. After stating your reason why you needed that, you have to present your cedula. Then after presenting your cedula, you have to pay the application and the processing fee. After that you've paid, the releasing for the barangay's clearance. The next would be the police clearance. So police clearance requirements would be two valid IDs. The ID should not be expired. It must also be the original and not photocopied. It must have the applicant's complete name, clear photo, and the signature. These are the valid IDs that you may submit. The alien certificate of registration, birth certificate, GSIS ID, driver's license, IBP ID, OFW ID, passport, PhilHealth ID, and school ID with registration form. After having the clearance requirements, you can also register through online account. You have to visit the NPCS website for the first time applicants. You have to click the register and read the terms and condition. After that, you need to provide your required infos for website, and after providing the infos, you will receive a confirmation message from the NPCS through your email. And the link is provided for verification of the online NPS website, and once you have that, you can set an online appointment. Before setting an online appointment, you have to put or you have to edit your profile link, like fill out your details that would help you. After that, you can set all your appointments to the nearest police station. After that, you have to pay the police clearance fee. You can also pay through online. After you paid, you will go through your selected police station. Don't forget that to bring your two valid IDs. After that, you will undergo to the biometrics capture, signing of the signature. After that one, you will check, or after that one, the police will check your database if you have the criminal records, and if you don't have any records, they will release it immediately. The police clearance. So the next we're gonna talk about is the mayor's clearance. So mayor's clearance requirements would be the health card, referral if you're not a resident of the municipality, the police or the NBI clearance, and the barangay clearance. First, you need to fill out the application form. Due to the pandemic, you can also fill through online, and after that one, you have to proceed to the city hall or the city health office building for health permit card. After that one, you have to go to the city treasurer office. Then you may proceed to manage information system to submit the necessary documents for verification. After the verification, there will be encoding of data, capturing of client, and the mayors will issue the mayor's working permit or the mayor's clearance. The releasing is when you get the signature of the in the mayor's office. So in getting the medical certificate, the requirements needed is the complete medical history, the laboratory examination, the physical examination by the city health officers. Then you go through your city health office or city health. The official receipt issued by the revenue collector at the city health office after presenting the form and the requirements. You have to pay the fees and receive for the documents. The present documents for approval of the doctor and the doctor in charge. They then after that, if the doctor didn't see any problem with your health, they will directly issue the medical certificate and you will receive the signature or the signed medical certificate. So guys, that's how we can get our barangay clearance, the police clearance, the mayor's clearance, and the medical certificate. Thank you for listening. Shalom.